Welcome to One Faro Escondido, Faro Escondido's premier luxury estate. Since its inception in the late 1980s, Faro Escondido has always been a top selection for the elite Costa Rican families, expats, and foreign diplomats. Why not? Lush tropical rainforests, stunning views of the Pacific Ocean, and the perfect combination of luxury, privacy, and convenience. You know, when I spoke to the owners and asked them, in your 25-year plus experience in living and enjoying the home, what did you really like most about it when you think back? And astoundingly, really the answer, yeah, the views and the quantity of rooms in the house and the ability to spend time with family, but really it was about being able to have 30, 40 people, much like what we're going to do today here at One Faro Escondido, and everyone can be in their own space, enjoy their own privacy. Some people can be in the pool or outside the pool enjoying a cocktail or being catered to with first-class service that has become like family for them, while others enjoy the view up from the balcony of one of the 8 bedrooms in the master suite. You know, the owners of this property purchased over 25 years ago, which gave them the privilege to select the choice lot. And what a lot it is. This 1,500 square meter lot sits at the end of a cul-de-sac, and not only does it abut to the tennis courts and the common areas of Faro Cinco, but it also abuts to this private reserve, which gives them not only privacy, but also sights and sounds of nature's monkeys, toucans, and this amazing mountain breeze. In addition to this amazing freeform pool that has stunning views of the Pacific Ocean and the coastline, you've got such a variety of outdoor space that the owners really love to enjoy. You've got pool deck space, you've got space under roof over here for those that want the shade, multiple dining areas, and then of course this amazing upper pool with the 5 hammocks that swing over there, and really just allows a variety of spaces for people to enjoy One Faro Escondido. Beyond the magic of the near 15,000 square feet at One Faro Escondido, owners and guests get access to much more. You've got community tennis courts, community pools, you've got a world-class marina just around the corner at Los Sueños, access to the Ted Robinson Championship golf course, and just 10 minutes away, all the amenities in Jaco, including a wide variety of restaurants, grocery stores, shops, and much more. Now more than ever, our global clients are truly seeking what I call legacy properties. Just as the word alludes to, it's a property that can be passed on from generation to generation. All enjoying in the space, and One Faro Escondido, not just inside the doors but outside, really provides that opportunity. Own your future, own it now, own One Faro Escondido.